Mr. Men, the Mr. Men, the Mr. Men, the Mr. Men.
The Mr. Men Show!
For as much as the Mr. Men and Little Misses enjoy driving their cars, they enjoy washing them even more. Whether it's a trip through the Dillydale drive-through car wash or the old-fashioned bucket of soap, there's no end to the lengths the Mr. Men and Little Misses will go for a clean automobile.
Oh, yo, this is the Sudzo System 3000, Mr. Bump. This machine can clean 40 cars an hour.
Gee, Mr. Strong, that sounds like quite a machine. Then why exactly do you need me?
Well, someone's got to work this baby. You can't expect a machine to run on its own, can you?
I guess not.
Oh, okay, here comes your first car. Now, I need you to take that soap gun over there and spray the car down with soap as it passes by. And make sure it's good and soapy, and the Sudzo System 3000 will do the rest.
Well, this is easy enough.
I knew you could handle it. I'll be mixing up a new batch of car wax if you need me.
Tag, you're it! Gotcha! Thought you could sneak up on me, didn't you? Now listen here, partner. When I say draw, draw! I win! Now I have one squirt of soap left in this gun. Do you feel lucky? Gee! This is the first job I've had where there's no chance of getting hurt. Ow! 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 Soap in my eyes! Soap in my eyes! Ow! Hot! Oh, hot! That's not good! Hey, it tickles!
Oh, yo, so how you doing so far, Mr. Bump?
Having the time of my life. Thanks, Mr. Strong. Well, should get back to work.
I wish all my workers were that good.
Hiya, Mr. Persnickety. What you doing?
What does it look like, Mr. Messy? Here's a sponge, a bucket, a car, some soap.
I have no idea.
I'm washing my car.
For real?
Yes, for real.
Why would anyone wash a car? I mean, you're just gonna leave it outside where it's gonna get dirty.
I enjoy a clean, sparkling car.
Gee, next you'll be washing your shrubs and your fence.
I just may do that. Now, if you don't mind,
Okay, see ya.
that man knows just how to upset me. Oh, my perfectly clean car. Why did those pelicans have to choose now to flock to the sea?
See? What'd I tell you?
Wow. Who has the energy?
Hello, Mr. Lazy. Can I help you with something?
No, just watching.
I told Mr. Lazy you were washing your car. He wanted to see for himself.
I don't get why you'd put all that effort into cleaning when it's just gonna get dirty all over again.
Well, some people take pride in cleanliness, while others take pride in their filth.
That's what I'm talking about.
Will you both please let me get back to my cleaning? Unless, of course, you want to lend a hand. Sometimes I think I am the only one in Dillydale with any sense. Now, where did I put that towel? Sweet Henrietta! Penguins! And sardines. Shoo! Shoo, you hideous tuxedoed beasts! Keep your silly little fish to yourselves!
See? What'd I tell you?
Great McGillicuddy! You're right. He's washing it by hand.
Boy, Mr. Small, that's serious work.
How true, Mr. Nosy. How true.
Don't you people have better things to do than stand there and watch someone clean their car?
Not really.
Mr. Persnickety, why don't you just go downtown to the drive-thru car wash? It's a lot easier.
Not to mention thrilling.
Drive-through car wash? This car is a rare antique, and as such, I treat it with the utmost of care.
Whoops. Sorry, Mr. Persnickety.
My car!
Look on the bright side, Mr. Persnickety. Now there's less to clean.
Leave me to grieve.
Hello, and welcome to another edition of Driving with Miss Calamity, the weekly show where I take you on a guided tour to one of my favorite places. With me today is my good friend, Mr. Rude.
I am not your good friend.
Such a kidda. Well, today, I'll be taking us to the Dillydale drive-through car wash. What makes a drive-through car wash so great is that you never have to leave the car.
You mean I am trapped in here with you?
It's only for a few minutes, Mr. Rude. You can hardly call that trapped.
Speak for yourself.
Now, the most important thing to remember whenever you go to the car wash is to close your windows good and tight. That's where power windows come in handy. Oh, dear. I can't close the windows, and there's no turning back.
Why did I ever agree to come with you?
Normally, when the windows are closed, these powerful jets wash away any dust and dirt that may be on your car. No, my hair! Someone get me a bathing cap! What a calamity!
You buffoon.
And there you have it! Another fantastic trip through the car wash!
I'll give you fantastic.
Mr. Rude!
Well, that's it for today. Join me next week when we'll take a trip along the Dillydale Mountain Range on Driving with Miss Calamity.
I'm now 20,000 leagues under the sea. To be honest, I have no clue how deep that really is. Oh, I've been hit! Something has rammed into the side of my craft! There appears to be no damage yet. Oh, thank goodness. It's only some harmless squid. Oh dear, something must have frightened them. Ah, a giant squid! Go away, big scary sea creature! No, don't look at me with those mean, hungry eyes! This is the end. I'll never see my beloved Dillydale again.
Come on, Mr. Nervous! You're holding up the whole line! Do you want us to wax your car or not?
Ah!
Some people should never leave their house!
Hello, Mr. Scatterbrain. Welcome to the Genie in a Bottle car wash where your wish is my command.
Hello, Mr. Grumpy. I like your hat.
It's a turban. I'm a genie.
Nobody told me we had genies in Dillydale.
We don't. This is my uniform for work. Now, what can we do for you today, Mr. Scatterbrain?
I'd like my car washed.
Is that all?
Isn't that enough?
Here at the Genie in a Bottle car wash, we can change your oil, fix a bumper, apply a new coat of paint.
Well, in that case, I would like a new paint job. Maybe something with polka dots. That way, you won't notice when it gets really dirty.
Your wish is my command.
So,
So, you really are a genie?
No, this is just a job.
Mr. Grumpy, being a genie is nothing to be embarrassed about. Somebody has to do it.
I am not a real genie. Now, will that be all?
Well, let's see. My first wish was for the wash. My second wish was for the polka dots. For my third wish, I'd like a hamster to keep me company on long drives.
We don't sell hamsters.
Then how about something that smells like a hamster?
Here, take these fuzzy dice.
They smell like tangerines. Are you sure you can't make fuzzy dice that smell like hamster?
Yes, I'm sure.
And all this time, I thought a genie could do anything. I just remembered! I left my waffle iron plugged in. I won't be needing the wash or paint job today. But I'll keep the dice if that's okay. Toodaloo!
Times like this, I wish I was a genie.
And so it is that with a little soap, a sponge, and a dab of wax, sometimes a little too much wax, the good people of Dillydale proudly drive off in their sparkling clean cars.
I think somebody needs a tickle.